Hi guys, welcome to Websense Pro. Welcome to another tutorial video. And in this tutorial, my co-host Nida Sheikh will teach you guys how you can create horizontal sliding text in Elementor, which will look like this. So if you want to learn how to create this cool sliding effect, stick to the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's free and you will learn a lot. Without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial.
To Websense Pro, I'm your co-host Nedashik with another tutorial on Elementor. Today, I'll show you how you can make auto-sliding text in Elementor. Here, I'll be making two sliding texts. The first one goes from right to left and the second one from left to right. And you can also use this auto-scrolling text effect as a background of any section which makes your design more creative. So, let's start with the tutorial. Okay, so this is the screen where we'll be working on. Our first step is to add a container here. Now what I'll do is I'll drag a heading widget like this. The heading is inserted. Now I'll give it a name. For example, I want this about our text to get sliding. Okay, we'll give it some styling. First, I'll change the text color and then the typography buttons, and I want the size to be 150, bigger one, and I want it to be 900 black. Now this is how it looks. What our next step is, we need to open Navigator here. This is what we have added up till now. Now we'll choose container, this container, and we'll give it some CSS class. Okay, so the CSS class is going to be, you need to be very careful while adding CSS classes because if it's wrong, even a little bit, it won't work. Okay, so the CSS class is sliding text. Now, I'll tell you how you can add code in this updated work. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll open Elementor in a separate tab like this. Okay, so it's open now. Now what we'll be learning here is how to add custom JS and CSS code in Elementor. So what we need to do is we need to click Elementor here and click custom code here. Okay, we'll add a new code. The location needs to be hid. That's good. Here I'll be adding the code. Okay, so this is our code. Now we need to click publish here. They'll ask for certain conditions. What we don't want it for entire site, we want it from single page. All singular, no pages. And here we can type the name auto sliding text, right? All the conditions are added. Now we click save and close here. So now the code is added. Now we'll check if it's working. We'll click preview changes. Okay, so our code is working now. What I need to do further is I need to add some space in between them. So I'll go back. I'll choose heading widget. Go to advanced here and link values together. Give it some padding from the right side. Okay. 30 is good. Now we'll check if it's working properly. Yeah, now it's working properly. You guys can see. Now what we'll do is we'll give it from left to right side. Okay, so we'll make another slide. What we'll do is we'll duplicate this container here. The container is duplicated. Now we select container, go to advanced and change the CSS class to sliding text reverse. Okay, now the remaining things will be duplicated. Okay, now when we preview changes, let it get loaded first. Okay, so this is what it looks. I hope you like my tutorial. If you want more such videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to comment below.